All right, I'm done waiting. That was the 6:32 Eglinton Avenue West bus to go by. And there hasn't been a single Eglinton Avenue East bus in about 25 minutes. They're supposed to come every 10 minutes at most. There's a 52B Lawrence West busing, or Lawrence West bus. And there's probably a very good reason why there hasn't been an Eglinton East bus. As you can see, there's a special constable vehicle, several police cars, and another special constable vehicle. According to the TTC's website here, there is no service right now between St. Clair and Lawrence Station due to police activity. Shuttle buses are on the way. And there's also no service on the other side of Line 1 between Finch West and Wilson stations. But hey there, today is Wednesday, March 26th. It is 3:49 p.m. and about 3 degrees Celsius is the temperature. And I had planned a couple of walks out in Scarborough, and then I was going to live stream, and that all was supposed to start with a trip on the 32 Eglinton East bus, but I got tired of waiting. So I think I'm going to postpone those plans until tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be able to do that live stream. I did pay my fare to enter, but it looks like I won't be using that. And I think I've counted about 30 buses roll by. Most of them said not in service on them. And just before I started recording, there were a number of loud sirens to be heard. So something is going on, but there's no type of announcement or notification system for people waiting for the bus. And they don't have those electronic signs to tell people when the next bus will be. There was a huge crowd right here just before a couple of Lawrence West buses pulled in. Here's where I was waiting. I got here just as a bus was pulling out and I missed it. There's another Eglinton West bus. All right, we can see what's going on. We've got employees at the gates here. This is the southern entrance. People are just trying to get around the city, and now they're being forced onto shuttle buses, where unfortunately there's a lot of construction going on here. This is going to be a nightmare trying to board with a single lane that's going to hold up traffic. I'm not sure what the cause of this particular incident is, but this type of thing happens way too often in the city. It's not a security incident, it's a mechanical incident. I don't even have a regular 9 to 5 commute, but this seems to throw a wrench into my plans at least once or twice a week. Just to make things worse, the Eglinton Crosstown isn't open yet. That's an east-west line that was supposed to open up 5 years ago.
Well, you don't know.
That has still not yet opened. Otherwise, I would have been able to hop on that and head to Scarborough quite easily. There you can see a number of shuttle buses trying to make their way down this single lane of traffic. So this one, it's going to be just a walk around the station. Your best bet is probably just setting off by foot. Please tap again. There you go. So apparently the Eglinton East bus will be here in 6 minutes, so they do have a digital board.
Are you sure? Yeah, look.
All right, let's head down to the platform and I'll walk over to the north end of the station. Where the connection to the crosstown is supposed to open up sometime later this year. There's a train offloading here. The website said between Lawrence and St. Clair.
Both ways between Eglinton Station and Woes Station, while we respond to security incident. Attention customers. Line 9 Young University has no service both ways between Eglinton Station and Finch West Station, while we respond to a medical emergency. This train is out of service.
So both sides of line 1 are down. Wow, these people are
This train is out of service.
banking on service resuming rather than doing the shuttle bus dance.
That's the smallest one.
Excuse me. It's a tight squeeze walking that way. This is the northbound platform. New escalators leading up. trains are still pulling into the station.
Attention customers. Line 1, Young University has resumed regular service.
There we go. Service resumed.
Keep going south! Keep going south!
I think that delay was about 30 minutes, so.
The northbound should be okay, right?
You probably would have been better off either walking or waiting for it. Subjecting yourself to the shuttle bus wouldn't have been the best thing to do. There's a look down into the crosstown connection. And that escalator is operating. It looks like there's another train right behind this one. There's a cop at the end of the platform here.
Can I see it?
A lot of cops on that end. Well, my bus might finally be here, but I'm not going to be getting on it.
Between Finch and Eglinton Station will end at 11 p.m. for track work. Shuttle buses will run. Check ttc.ca for more information.
All right, thank you.
I think I've gone to like
I hate walking around this corner.
No, I'm not.
I'm always that person stubbornly sticking to their right. But there was no mention of a delay or stoppage when I got to the station. There were no announcements when I was on the bus platform. I just kind of had to figure it all out and look it up on their website, but that took a big enough bite out of my time that I think I'd rather just go ahead with my plans tomorrow. There is a shuttle bus. This should be making its last stop, then it should be pulling into the Eglinton Station bus bays and getting back to some of those woefully underserved routes. This is Eglinton Avenue here. If you watch this channel, you're probably familiar with it. But a day in the life of a Toronto resident trying to rely on transit. Now let's finish up with a look outside this extended entrance to the Crosstown LRT. Rumored to be opening by September. more absolutely horrendous land use by Metrolinx. No room for retail, no room for any development overhead in a housing-starved city, just a big chunk of land devoted to an entrance to what's essentially an underground streetcar. And there's already an entrance right over there. I guess this one saves you from having to transfer through the subway, but the land use along the crosstown is not very good. And one of these, it should be the bus I was supposed to get on here. There's the 34 Eglinton East. Packed, standing room only. I recognize some people that I was in line with. So I left my home at 10 after 3, which is 5 minutes down the street, to get on a bus that 56 minutes later would just be pulling out of the station, when there should be a frequent LRT operating. And when in normal conditions that bus would come more than every 10 minutes. This bus has a tight turn to navigate. Anyways, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Share your frustrations and experiences, positive or negative, with Toronto's not so well run transit system down below. They could certainly use an investment or two and an overhaul of management. The slow zones are still in place. It can take seemingly forever just to get from here to Bloor and Yonge downtown. And you wonder why people opt to drive. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And I will catch you on the next one, hopefully with a live stream tomorrow, because there shall be no stream tonight. Yoink.